Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Coinbase Wallet. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to start using your Coinbase Wallet here, like to make transactions or even just to get to know how you actually start using it, well, in this case, the first thing that you want to do is you want to understand the UI itself. Now, currently I'm using Coinbase in my browser, but the steps that I'll be doing here or the things that I'll be showing you are pretty much the same thing if you're using your mobile device. So in this case, at the main menu here, so as you can see at the left side, there are different options. Now the homepage here would show you all the necessary information, like the trending on-chain or blockchains here. You can go and just choose like NFTs. So if you want to explore, you can go and just do that here. But in this case, this is just like the general information that you may want to read, like news, updates, or whatever. Now, if you go to assets here, this is where your assets are going to be. So if you have like any crypto, DeFi, or if you want to see your transactions, this is where you'll be able to see them, as you can see right now. Now, if you want to start buying crypto, you can go and click on buy crypto here, which in this case, you'll just need to verify your wallet. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and just click on the sign option here so that you can verify your wallet. And once it's actually verified, you'll now have the option to basically buy crypto. Now, obviously, you can go and just choose whichever cryptocurrency that you have that they have right now or supports right now. You have Ethereum, USDC, BRED. Here is a Mevia. You can even search whichever cryptocurrency. You can also choose the network if you want to as well, as you can see right now. So you can go and choose, like, for example, Ethereum here. Specify how much. Click on continue. And this will redirect you to another page, which in this case, you need to pay for your actual funds or the cryptocurrency that you will be receiving. Now, depending on what you want or how you want to proceed a payment, you go and choose whichever way you want. So by the way, you may need to log into your Coinbase account before you can actually proceed with this one. But yeah, on the next pages, you just need to follow the on-screen steps. And by the way, they may need to ask you to provide some ID or proof of identity. So there are like certain conditions for that. So just follow the on-screen steps and just verify your identity if needed. But yeah. So if you go to the app section at the left side here, you'll now be able to see like different options that you could use. Like for example, you have like Aerodome, Uniswap, Demo, Moonwell, Ava, Toshimart. So if you want to use those platforms in whatever way you want, you can go and use them. Like you even collect, swap, earn, social, and manage, play, even listen, and even use the bridge functionality here. Now, if you go to the left side here, you also have the main functionalities inside Coinbase. You have the buy, swap, send, and receive. Now, if you choose the buy option, like what I said before, you're just buying cryptocurrency into your account. If you choose the swap option, this will allow you to swap cryptocurrency. So whatever you currently have right now, you'll be able to swap that to a different cryptocurrency. Like for example, if you have Ethereum and you want to switch this to swap this for USDT, that's how you do it. You just need to select the cryptocurrency that you want. So which in this case, the first cryptocurrency and the second cryptocurrency here that you want to receive. Now, if you choose the send functionality, this will allow you to send cryptocurrency from your wallet to another wallet. Now, obviously, you need to enter the address that you are going to need to transfer to and confirm a few things. So, obviously, you need to use the same network if you're going to make the transfer. You could also switch to the receive section if you want to receive cryptocurrency into your account. Now, if you choose the option to receive here, as you can see, you will be able to see your address and your current balance. Now, in this case, you could also see the following networks that it actually supports. So, by the way, you may need to make sure that you are using the supported networks in here before that. But in this case, typically, if you're using like Binance, it will automatically detect which network it is. So, you could just copy this one and just use that in your other platforms. Now, in this case, if you click on the wallet at the top right here, it should give you the option to add or start managing your wallet. Now, if you click on manage option, this will redirect you to your wallets. Now, if you want to add a new wallet, click on add wallet at the top right. Like you add a wallet from Wallet Connect, Phantom, MetaMask, or even Exodus. Now, if you choose to click on one of your, let's just say, already existing wallet, you have the following options. So you can copy the address, change the avatar, or even disconnect this address. Now, that's how you start managing your wallet. Now, if you click on the gear icon at the top right here, this will give you the option to basically start managing or accessing your settings here. But sometimes it may not work properly, as you can see right now. It's not clicking. But then again, if you do click on it, it should give you the option to access your settings here, as you can see right now. So you even change the display, your help, if you need assistance on your account, and start managing or viewing the terms and service and privacy policies here if you want. But yeah. So in this case, those are the basics in order for you to get started with using Coinbase, and that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.